Hello, all. My name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video, I'm going to show you one of the application known as Cloud Generator. This is basically used for generating the keywords. Suppose if you are preparing for any kind of job interview or whenever you are preparing for uh, any specific company or any specific job title. So in that case, like you are supposed to prepare a resume. So in order to prepare a resume, you need to include some of the keywords to get the interview calls. Okay. So many times what happens is like suppose a candidate is preparing for a specific job title or specific role. Okay. So he or she don't know like how to prepare the resume and what are the main keywords has to be included in the resume. Okay. So in that case, what happens is like he or she may not get too many calls and he or she may get demotivated and gets disappointed, and he can feel like every time his resume is getting rejected and he is not getting shortlisted. Okay, so in that case, like what he or she has to do means like he has to prepare a resume in such a way like he or she will get shortlisted for the specific job or a specific role. Okay, so in order to get more number of calls, like in order to get shortlisted for the specific role, like so including the main keywords in a resume is very important. Okay, so when you include the specific keywords in the resume, like that will be an add-on advantage for your resume and you can expect a good number of interview calls. Okay, so suppose if you are getting a good number of interview calls, like he or she gets motivated, and day by day the way of preparation also gets improved. Okay, so for that purpose, like there is a application cloud generator. Okay, so I will just show you like how to use that specific application. Okay, so here I will go to just google.com. Okay, and here I will just type cloud generator. You can see the first option, cloud generator. Okay, so here you can click on the first option, free word cloud generator monkey learn. Okay, so I'll just click on this. Okay, so here what you can do is once you open this specific application, here you can see source text, and here you can see generate cloud. Okay, so here there is a space like where you can type something or you can copy paste something. Okay, so here basically what happens is like suppose if you are targeting for any specific job or a job title. Okay, so there will be a job description for the specific role. Okay, suppose let's assume that, just go to google. Okay, suppose let's assume that he or she is preparing for let's take software engineer. Okay, software engineer job description. Okay, I will go to software engineer job description, then let's see like what is the JD for that specific role. Software engineer job description. So here you can see like software engineer responsibilities. Okay, so what I will do is I will just try to copy paste this. Okay, so this is specifically if you are targeting for software engineer role. Okay, so for each kind of role there is a separate roles and responsibilities. Suppose if you are targeting for data engineer or data analyst or data scientist or principal data scientist, or if you are targeting for a Python developer, or if you are targeting a DevOps engineer or a full stack developer. Okay, so for each kind of role there will be separate roles and responsibilities. Okay, and there will be specific JD for that specific role. Okay, so now I have taken an example with respect to software engineer. Okay, so I have just copy this and I will just try to paste it here. Okay, so there is also one more option. Suppose if you have any word file or a notepad file. Okay, suppose if you have that, you can just click on this upload text and you can just upload that specific file. Okay, suppose if you are targeting for a software engineer job, you can just copy this roles and responsibility and you can just paste it here. Okay, so once you paste it here, you can just click on generate cloud. Okay, so once you click on that generate cloud, here you can see a different keywords. Okay, software development life cycle, key project data, modification, system, bug, project status, new system, standard operating procedure. Okay, so these are all the keywords. Okay, so based on these keywords, you can just prepare your resume and you can just include some of the keywords in your skills or some of the keywords which you have already done the projects. So including these keywords in your resume, so that will be an add-on advantage to your resume, and from then onwards you can expect a good number of interview calls. Okay, so this is one of the finest application, I can say, guys. Like it will really help you if you are targeting for a specific role or a specific job or a specific company with a specific job. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please just subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Okay, and kindly make use of this very good application called a cloud generator for preparing your resume. Okay, and I wish you all the best. Okay, so thank you one and all. See you. Bye bye.